In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom fields to your support forms so you can gather exactly the information you need from your customers. Whether you're looking to capture more detailed requests or collect additional data, custom fields are a great way to tailor your forms to your business needs. First, let's dive into the software we'll be using. I've tested many popular tools, but I found that this software stands out for ease of use and flexibility. It's designed to help you add custom fields without a lot of hassle. If you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial available for you in the description below, but make sure to stick around to see exactly how to set things up. So, here's the first step. Go ahead and log into your account and navigate to your support form builder. In most software, this will be under your form settings or customization tab. Once you're there, you'll usually find a default set of fields like name, email, and message. Now, we need to add a custom field. Look for an option that says Add Field or Create Custom Field. This is typically either a button or an option in the sidebar. Click that, and you'll see various types of fields you can add, like text boxes, checkboxes, drop-down menus, or even file upload buttons. Depending on what kind of information you want to collect, choose the field type that makes the most sense. If you're unsure, text fields are great for basic information like order numbers or descriptions, while drop-downs are perfect for predefined options. Once you've selected your field type, you'll be prompted to name your field. This is where you'll want to be specific. If it's for collecting a customer's order number, for example, name it something like order number or ticket ID. After naming it, make sure to choose any additional settings, like whether the field is required or optional. This is key to ensuring that you're gathering the right data without frustrating your users with unnecessary fields. After you've added your fields, be sure to save your changes. Some software might allow you to preview the form before going live, so take advantage of this to make sure everything looks right. You can test the form by submitting dummy data and verifying that the fields are showing up as expected on the backend. Now, if you want even more control, many platforms also let you set conditional logic. This means you can show or hide certain fields based on previous responses. For example, if a customer selects technical issue, you could show them a custom field asking for more details about the issue. This customization really helps streamline your form and makes it easier for your customers to provide the right information. And that's it. Adding custom fields to your support forms is simple once you know where to look and what to add. Now, here's the key takeaway. Don't just add fields for the sake of it. Make sure every field you add serves a specific purpose, helping you collect the information that will make your customer support more efficient and effective. Before we wrap up, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial of this software in the description below if you want to follow along and implement custom fields on your forms. To recap, we've covered how to add custom fields, select the right field type, name your fields, and customize the form for your needs. Follow these steps, and you'll have fully customized support forms in no time.